Today, sir, I want to emphasize technology for Nigeria in reality to the new world. Technology will play a similar role in globalization because technology is one of the key ingredients of globalization. So any nation without technology cannot really compete. Yes, the emerging technology that the new technology that we are talking about now, the Internet of Things, the computer vision technology, blockchain, all the technology that everybody is practicing, that is the technology that belongs to us. It's an opportunity for Nigeria to tap into these emerging technologies so that we don't behave as if we are not part of the system. With a growing tech-savvy population, a thriving startup ecosystem, and a forward-thinking government like the one we have now, Nigeria can leverage the emerging technology to drive national development, improve governance, and enhance the quality of life for its citizens. For the past 10-15 years, I've done a lot of solutions with this, and we are going to see some of them. In this presentation proposes an upgrade solution for capability building on emerging technology for sustainable development in Nigeria. So in 2008, I developed this what I call embedded system for the target kit. It was actually sponsored by the National Space Research and Development Agency under the leadership of Professor Rapat Ojoji, and we produced, I think, 50 copies of this. I discovered that despite the fact that they gave this thing to Nigeria University, most of them they were not able to use it. We called from 100 level, 200 level, 200 level. They did not even have hands-on on how to use a embedded system microcontroller to solve key problems in Nigeria using open solution. And the way to that is what I call renewable emerging technology computer kit. To me, this will be the true definition of the new hope agenda. Because all the federal government reform agenda can realize it with this using technology solution. And Nigerian students, it's a cutting-edge emerging technology solution demonstration platform established to promote hands-on STEM education and showcase the application of emerging and software technology to foster innovation, creativity, and skill development among student educators and professionals in Nigeria. It will also provide practical training session inspired by challenges in Nigeria. It is good to let our young ones know how to solve our problem ourselves. And the technology is not static, it's evolving. As the technology is coming in, they can upgrade this, and before you know it, we are solving our problem ourselves. Just like
I must commend you, Dr. Raji, for all these brilliant ideas from engineering and technology perspective. These are brilliant ideas, and I can assure you that you are the right place. Because one of the core mandates of NBTI is to drive the commercialization of the R&D results. These are the product of your R&D with so many application areas which you have come up with. And, NBTI is the only agency of government that is empowered to commercialize research and development products. I must also commend you because of other areas which you have delved into. I can say I myself am a cat with many lives. I'm an all-rounder when it comes to technology. That's why I was asking you about the proportion. I was the former executive director technical of Nigerian Communication Satellites. Definitely you partner with us. Again, you said renew hope. We are renewed hope, and we are going to renew the hope of Nigerians. For people to know that we know what we are doing. You see, it is not by accident that Mr. President has taken Nigeria to the BRICS nation, to be partner countries in the BRICS nation. If you want to be part of BRICS nation, you'll be talking about industrialization. That will be technologically driven. And when Mr. President was saying he wants to draw water from the dry well, he was talking about technology. Technology is the only way by which you can draw water from the dry well. Any innovation you are coming up with, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is ready to support you with that kind of innovative ideas. And part of the part of the roadmap that I have for this place upon my adoption of office, I believe we can all come together. We can change the narrative. What we want to do is to take the technology to the grassroots, looking at the raw material resources we have in not the state or the federation that we can expose our people to. We shouldn't be suffering in the midst of plenty. We have the resources that everybody should be okay with what we have. So, and we don't believe that anybody should suffer anything.
Other activity as what and what we can partner with. So what do you see? Think about it. Yes, I will. First of all, I will say I'm very happy that you are able to motivate me and accept my proposal. And what I need to do now is some of the suggestions to incorporate it to redefine my requirement and to develop a concept note to kickstart our collaboration. But one thing I've just discovered in this my today's visit is I've seen somebody that is practical, that a lot of technology solutions are in need. So I found somebody that I know can mentor me more than the way I am. So I'm proud of you.
I'm willing to learn from you
Yeah,
too.
honestly, I'm so proud of you because at this your big office, you still have time to write code to think about technology implementation. It's not common in Nigeria, and I know that God will continue to bless your effort and the vision you have for Nigeria. God will grant your desires. I'm so happy to meet you. Thank